talking about washi tape. I'm in my craft room with my dog Bella, and we've been organizing these drawer units. This is the 6-drawer unit from Ikea. It's called the Alex, and I will put a link in the description below to where you can find this. And these drawer units are awesome. It's got 6 drawers, and I think they're about 26 inches wide, and it's on wheels, so it has casters. And the first 4 drawers of this unit I have washi tape stored. So I wanted to kind of give y'all a look at how I have this organized. And so let's take a closer look. And so I wanted to show y'all, when I open this up, I have these drawer organizers. And these drawer organizers I purchased from Sam's Club a couple of years ago, and there was a set, came in a set of 10. There was 2 of these larger ones that were 6 by 15. And then there was some of these, 2 of these smaller ones. It was like a 10-piece set, and there was 5 different sizes, 2 of each one. And they don't have that at Sam's anymore, but I did find something similar on Amazon, and I'll put a link to that in the description as well. So the link to everything I'm showing you is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, so I have, it fits, this Alex drawer unit fits 3 of these large 6 by 15 drawer organizers. I also have this smaller one that's 3 inches by 15, no, it's 3 inches by 12 inches, so it's a little bit shorter. And then I have this one that I made just to fill in this spot right here. It's just a 2-inch box that's 2 inch by 12 inch. And I just created that using some cardstock. So let me just take this out and show y'all. I made this box just because I could not find anything that would fit into this little space right here. And so I made this little box. And if you are interested in that, if you want to leave a comment, if I get a few people that want me to show how I did this, I will, you know, put some instruction. I'll make a video for that. Of course, with one hand, it's a little bit of a challenge. I finally did get a, what do you call that? One of those, what is that called? One of those things. But I was having trouble trying to get it to work because I have to tilt this at an angle. And so, yeah. Oh, a tripod. I got a tripod, but I still haven't figured out how to use it. So hopefully this video is going to be okay. All right, so going back to this drawer unit here. One of the things I wanted to mention is there is a gap at the back of the drawer where if I don't put anything back there, over time, these bins or drawer organizers, they just keep going further and further back into the drawer. One of the things I don't like about the Alex drawer unit is there's probably 4 or 5 inches of space back there that you can't see when you open the drawer because this drawer does not fully extend. So I have these organizers, and what I did was I have found 3 different ways to put something behind to keep the drawer organizer from going back into the drawer. And those 3 things are styrofoam. I just, you know, if you have some packing material, like the styrofoam, pieces of styrofoam, I've tried that. That works pretty good. I've also used a, I think it's a 1x2 piece of wood, and that's actually the thing that I like the best. And I think in this drawer I have that, and I will show you. If you take this out and you look into the back of this drawer, I have a piece of wood back there, and that keeps my drawer organizer from going back further into the drawer. Now this drawer has my neutrals, black and white, glitter and foil. And then over here I have some fabric and paper tape. So I have 3 of the large ones here, the smaller 3x12. And you are losing a little bit of space with this 3x12 because, you know, it's, I haven't found anything though that's better than this. So far this is working really well for me. And you might be wondering, why didn't I just put this washi in the drawer? And one of the reasons why I didn't do that is because the drawer is very deep, and it's deeper than what you can see here. So if I pull this out, you will see, you can't see all of the washi unless I pull it out. So I would lose storage if I didn't use the entire, you know, if I put the washi just in the drawer, I wouldn't be able to put it all the way back, and it would be rolling around. I'm not really sure how that would work. So I did actually just put it into these containers. The other thing I like is I can take this whole container over to my workspace and work with it. Okay, so this third drawer is washi that is geometric patterns like dots and stripes, and we have florals and other patterns. I think this one is travel, and then I have like birds and butterflies and like animals and things like that over here. So that's that drawer. So that's the third drawer. Okay, and then let me show you here. What do I have in the back of here? Oh yeah, this one I have styrofoam. So I just want to show you. I just cut a piece of styrofoam. I don't know if you can see it. Let me go ahead and pull it out. Okay, I'm going to have to take this completely out to get that styrofoam out of there. So I had bought something, and I had a package in there, and it was a piece of styrofoam about that wide. And I just cut a piece off to fit into the back of this drawer. And just put that back there, and it keeps the drawer organizers from going too far back into the drawer. Let me go ahead and put this back in. And while I have this out, let me just share with you, I have numbered each one of the bins with A, which is for Alex drawer, and then the number of the drawer, which is the third drawer, and then this is bin A, or drawer organizer A. And so I have these labeled. You'll see here is B and C and D, and then I haven't put a label. I just created these today. So I'm going to put a label on there that'll say A3E. And then when I create, I have this reference guide, and I have another video where I showed the reference guide and kind of went through how I organized the washi. I will put a link to that video in the description as well. And that's how I can figure out, like when I go to my reference guide and I find a washi and it says it's in bin, drawer 3, bin B, I know exactly where to go to get it. Okay, and the last drawer that I have here with washi tape, this one is a little bit different. I have 2 of these 6x15 drawer organizers, then one of the 3x12s, and then I have these boxes. Now this came like this. It was Recollections from Michaels. They had these a while back for $10. I think it was like a special value buy or something. And so I just went ahead and kept it in these boxes because, yeah, this is Recollections from Michaels. Because these washi tapes are much smaller, and it really takes up a lot of space in these, but look how much smaller it is than, say, this one. I'm just going to show you. So if you thought that these Michaels like variety boxes were a good buy, they really weren't. And I found that out later because the washi on here is super, small. They don't have much on these rolls, but it's still, a good, it's a good variety. So I like having it. Okay, so I'm going to stick that back in there. But I just decided it was a better use of space to just keep them in the boxes. And it's a little bit of a tight fit because of the screw that's right there. But it still fits pretty good. And it stays, because it is kind of a tight fit, it stays in place. Now I'm going to show you the third option to creating a shim in the back of the drawer. I use this, it's like packing bubbles, but they're really cool packing bubbles because they're like long and skinny and narrow, and you can cut them at, so I had got this in something I ordered from Amazon probably, and it came with these bubbles, and you can split it into individual pieces. But I just have one that's 2, and it fits perfectly back here. And I just wanted to share with you a couple of different ways that you can actually create a shim to put into the back of this drawer, of the Alex drawer. Okay, something else I wanted to mention was that when you have washi tape, it's on rolls and it rolls around quite a bit. And if you just have it in a bin, like this is just an empty bin, one of the 3x12 bins, it does not stay put. It rolls all over the place. Even if you have it full, as soon as you take one out, it's going to start rolling. And so what I decided to do was I created divider inserts for all of these drawer organizers. And the fourth video in this series is going to show you how to create these. And I'm just going to take this one out just so you can kind of get a, I don't know if you can see it in there. Maybe I'll take some of the washi out. So if you look in here, it's got the divider that is keeping the washi from rolling around. Even when I take this washi out, that other washi is not going to fill in the gap. It's not going to fill in that space. And so I think it's really useful to have this divider insert because it keeps the washi from moving around too much when you are trying to, you know, take it in and out of the drawer. So that is going to be the fourth and final video in this series. I will share with you how I created the divider inserts. And I will also talk a little bit about some additional bins that you can use inside the Alex drawer units if you don't have these drawer organizers. So that's all I have for this video today, but stay tuned for the next video in the series where I will show you how to create the divider insert and also talk about some of the other bins that you can use in the Alex drawer unit. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. You come to see me? Hi, Miss Bella. Where are you going? Can you sit? Oh, you're such a good puppy, and look at that paper on your face. She's helping me clean my room again. Hey, Bee, where are you going? You got out of the camera shot. I'm gonna follow you around, okay? She's helping me clean up my craft room. Where are you going? Hi, Missy. You gonna come here and say hello? Say hi. No? Okay. She's gonna ignore me. That's what she does. You're so funny. Okay, I'm gonna do my video now, okay? Alright. Gotta get started. Gonna get started, yeah. You're so funny. You are just too cute. Why you ignoring me, Dee? Say hello. Why you ignoring your mama, huh? Don't ignore me. I love you. You're so funny. Okay. I'll let you ignore me. Alright, I gotta get to my video now, okay?